Hi, and welcome to How to Share Your Glucose Readings with Your Healthcare Provider video, featuring the FreeStyle Libre 2 system. My name is Lori Berard. I'm a nurse and diabetes educator. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect to your healthcare provider so you can begin sharing your glucose readings. Did you know the FreeStyle Libre 2 system measures your glucose every minute? These readings provide you and your healthcare provider with valuable information. In fact, sharing glucose readings with your healthcare provider allows for easier and more productive conversations about your diabetes management. Your provider can quickly help you identify patterns and trends in your glucose levels and discuss possible changes to your diabetes management plan. And with the FreeStyle Libre 2 system, sharing glucose readings is simple and convenient. You can scan and share your readings at any time from anywhere. The FreeStyle Libre 2 system makes it easy for you to keep track of your glucose information on a single device. No need to carry a separate device to check your glucose levels. Using the free FreeStyle Libre 2 app on your iPhone or Android, simply scan your sensor on the go and see your results in real time, right there on your phone. It's important to note that the FreeStyle Libre 2 sensors only work with the FreeStyle Libre 2 app. Before we break down how to share, let's see how your healthcare provider can review your glucose readings. Some healthcare providers use a system called LibreView, which is secure and cloud-based. This means they can review your glucose readings and provide treatment support in person or remotely, giving you the option to meet virtually. So you can share your glucose readings and your provider sees everything in LibreView. Sounds simple, right? In order to set up a connection, you'll need to either accept an invitation from or initiate a connection with your healthcare provider. With the FreeStyle Libre 2 app, it's easy. You can send or accept an invitation right within the app. So what happens if your healthcare provider doesn't use LibreView? No problem. By scanning with your FreeStyle Libre 2 app, you can share glucose reports directly from your phone using the Share button. Just like that. You can also review these reports with your healthcare provider directly within the app at your next appointment. Okay, let's get connected. Within the FreeStyle Libre 2 app, there are two ways to set up a connection that will allow your healthcare provider to review your glucose readings in LibreView. For option 1, you connect to your healthcare provider. Your healthcare provider will give you their LibreView Practice ID. This is a code specific to your provider's practice. Simply enter the ID into the FreeStyle Libre 2 app. Go to Menu, Connected Apps, LibreView. Connect to a practice. Enter Practice ID. Click Next. Then after viewing your healthcare provider's contact information, click Connect. For option 2, your healthcare provider will send you an invitation, which you'll need to accept. You can do this directly within your app. Go to Menu, Connected Apps, LibreView, Pending Invitations, Accept. Once connected, your glucose readings are automatically shared with LibreView, ready for discussion with your healthcare provider at your next appointment. If you don't have anything scheduled but you have a question or concern about your readings, contact your provider to book an appointment. Remember, if your healthcare provider is not set up on LibreView, you can still share glucose reports using the Share button within your app. Or simply show your reports on your phone at your next in-person appointment. If you forget any of the necessary steps, don't hesitate to replay this video or call customer care. Congratulations, you're ready to start sharing your glucose readings. Needless to say, the FreeStyle Libre 2 system was designed to enable more productive conversations about diabetes management at any time from anywhere. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can do it anytime, anywhere.